Split function. When we encounter a situation where we need to measure internal areas and the two areas share a common side, we need to use the split function of the Baoture measuring device. Next, we will use a parking space as an example to explain how to quickly measure this kind of scene. First, measure the maximum outer area. To use the split function, you must select the closed shape type. After measurement, save the project. Open the file again. Tap Edit at the bottom. Scroll through the options and find Split. You need to select an edge for calibration. The black edge is the starting edge of the measurement. We are now closest to the starting edge, so tap the black starting edge. If you need to select another edge for calibration, just tap the edge on the screen. The subsequent steps are the same. Tap Confirm. At this point, be sure to place the device at the split starting point first. After hearing the ding sound, tap Discard Point and wait for data collection. Important note: during splitting, we must pass through the shape to be split. Therefore, the start and end points of the split line must be outside the shape to be split. Then you can start measuring along the position you want to split.